Welcome back. In this lecture, I'll demonstrate you how to calculate future value annuity due using Microsoft Excel. As you know that annuity due is a situation or a scenario where you make an investment at the beginning of the time period so that this investment will earn an additional 1 year rate of interest, that is for the first year. Now we'll see how to calculate this using Microsoft Excel. Here is an example. Suppose Charan deposits 16,000 at the beginning of each year. So when you say that beginning of each year, this indicates that you need to calculate the annuity due. And second is that it is depositing the money. That means you have to calculate the future value. So first we'll enter the rate. Rate is 5.75%. Put this in decimals. So that is 0.0575. is the rate, and the number of periods is for how many years he is making this deposit. 10 years. So 10 deposits or 10 years. Then the payment is, the amount that he is depositing is 16,000. So minus 16,000. Then present value is a 0. Type is, enter the type as 0 if it is end of the period, or 1 if it is beginning of the period. So take a 1. Then your future value annuity amount will be equals to future value. Then select the rate. So here is the rate. Then place comma. Then select number of periods. Here are the number of periods. Select this one. Place comma. Then the payment amount. So each year is making a payment of 10,000. Select this one. Place a comma. Your present value is 0. Then type here is 1. That is, the investment is made or deposit is made in the beginning of the year. So close the bracket and press enter key. So the amount is 2,20,417. That means if Charan deposits 16,000 every year in the beginning of the time period for 10 years and the bank pays an interest rate of 5.75%. So at the end of the 10th year, Charan will have 220,417 rupees with him. This is the way you need to calculate future value annuity due in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.